Hi, Arjen from Lucas Fox here. Welcome to Oak Valley. I had to get dressed up for this because this is an amazing property. We have a plot of over 4,300 square meters and a built surface of 1,080 square meters. The design is immaculate. You have the best views you can imagine here, but instead of talking about it, let me just show you. The design of the house is one of a kind. The interior architect was Antonio Murillo, and while he is one of the more well-known and prominent architects in Marbella. Alright, so that was it for today for Oak Valley. Let me just give you a quick recap. We have 1,080 square meters built surface on a plot of over 4,000 square meters. We have 5 bedrooms, all en suite, and an extra bathroom in the spa, wellness and gym area. 4 of the bedrooms are here on the ground floor with access to the garden, and the master suite is on top. You have those amazing views from all areas in the house. Amazing interior design. You have a gated community of Madroñal. So I think those are kind of all the ingredients you need to create the perfect family home. If you want more information, just go to our website www.lucasfox.com or just give me a call. See you next time.